Colleagues, if we are honest with ourselves, we must ask, are we building institutions of transformation or simply echo chambers of performative compliance? In many of our universities, we witness a troubling pattern. Policies recited but not lived. Diversity celebrated in brochures but not in decision-making. And innovation proclaimed while outdated power structures remain intact. These echo chambers thrive on repetition without reflection. They reward those who comply with dominant scripts and marginalize those who challenge the performance. In such spaces, conformity masquerades as collegiality and critique is mistaken for conflict. But performative compliance cannot lead us to the future we seek. It stifles truth, delays justice, and hollows out the very values we claim to uphold. The future university must move from echo to engagement, from surface-level performance to deep, courageous praxis. Let us commit to dismantling the echo chambers of compliance, and in their place, build communities where intellectual honesty, ethical courage, and transformative justice can take root. This is not just policy work, this is leadership work, and it begins with us. Happy thinking.